Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook three line option not showing problem. Okay, let's get started. First, open your phone settings and scroll down. Tap on apps option. Again tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook and tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down. Select storage, clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back. And now tap your permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar allow, back. Second call logs allow, back. Camera allow, back. And contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notifications, phone photos and videos allow all permission complete. Okay, back to home screen. Now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My internet already connected. Okay, back to home screen. Go to Google Play Store and tap on search bar, search for Facebook. Tap on Facebook and now check update your Facebook app. My Facebook app already updated to the latest version. And now open your Facebook app and tap on profile icon. And see, I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe and like, comment, share now.